Mr. Ankit Kumar. Today we will solve lead code problem number 1 and problem name is to sum. Let's try this question to solve. Question says that given an array of integers nums, okay, and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Means question want to say us that we have given an array of integers here nums, and we will find that we have given also target number 9. So we will find which indices added, then we will find out our target number. Suppose here indices number 0 means number 2, and indices number 7 indices number 1 means 7. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Okay, it means in return indices 0 and 1. So next you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. Okay, you can return the answer in any order. So question's motto is return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. It means we have to return finally two indices of an array from that target number. Okay, so first of all we run here a loop. We will run a loop here, for loop. So int I is equal to 0 and I less than nums dot size I plus plus. Okay, and we have to run here a nested loop, because we have to add, suppose we have to add 2 plus 7, so index number 0 plus index number 1. So we have run here also a nested loops. So we use a nested loop for int j is equal to 0. Not here, we will not write j is equal to 0, because that will be 2 plus 2. We have to add different index. So I will write here I plus 1. Okay, from that when I and after I number will be added, after we have to write j equal to I plus 1, then then here will be added I means 2 plus I plus 1 means number j 7. Okay, just like next I in after completing this loop, this nested loop, when goes to I is equal to 1, it means 7. 7 plus j is equal to I plus 1 means loop number index 2, 11. 7 plus 11, and next will be run 2 I is equal to 2 plus 1. Next it will be 3 plus 1, so it will be 15. 7 plus 15, so just like, and nums dot size and we will write next syntax size okay j plus plus okay, and after that we have right here logic. Suppose if mm, nums I if nums I plus nums j equal to target okay, then return then we have to return indices. It means then we have to return index if target will be achieved, and when this will be not true means nums I plus nums j after added target will be not right, so we will return here empty array okay. So here we have written after it I indices and j okay. So overall this will we have coded it, and we find solution of this problem to some, and I want to recall recall it again. And see here we have question says question tells us question tells that given an array of integers nums okay, nums names array given here, and an integer target, and we have targeted integer, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. We have to find two numbers indices, from that which two numbers, when we add that two numbers then we have find target number. So first of all here mm, we will run for loop int I is equal to 0 nums dot size okay, and after that we have also here we will run a nested loop because of we have need here to run nested loop because when we will add two numbers, suppose here zeroth index 2, and when we have nested loops continuously with ith index, this will be also run. So I is equal to 0 and j is equal to I plus 1 means after ith index next index will be add up to ith index. So nums dot size, and we have right here logic if nums I plus nums j is equal to target. So we have written its index, and when target will be not find, when we have add nums I plus nums j target will be not find, then we have to return empty array. So we have find solution. So run the solution, and one error we have find, and which type of error this is. Target, sorry, which type of error. Address sanitizer heap, buffer overflow address, read size thread to size 4. Okay, which type of error here coming if nums I is equal to nums I plus nums j. Okay, okay, this will here and here and here. Okay, and after that we have target, and to some read of size 4 at nums dot size. Okay, okay, here is error j, we have left j less than nums dot size, then now it will be run. Okay, there was a error. So we have completed to some problems. So thank you guys. So we have submitted it, and